Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and this tutorial we're talking about HTML iframe. HTML iframe stands for inline frame, and HTML iframe or inline frame can be defined as a way to embed a document, a file format or HTML document into a HTML document. If you don't get them, come again. HTML inline frame or iframe can be used to embed a document, a file format or HTML document into a HTML document, meaning I can embed a web page into a web page. I can embed a file format .mp3, .mp4, .jpeg, .png into a HTML document. But before we go into the coding, I want you to know that HTML iframe has an opening and a closing tag, and I also like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Now let me show you the syntax of writing the HTML iframe. You don't need to write any text between the opening and the closing tag. You just have to go inside the opening tag, then press your space bar, the space, and then you need an attribute called the source attribute. What is the function of the source attribute? The source attribute is the one that will look for data document you are looking for. Is the one that will go and look for the document, maybe the video document, the audio document, the HTML document. It is the source attribute that will go and look for it. So let's put our source attribute, and you know that the source attribute is represented in HTML as src. So you put your equals to and your double quotation mark, your double opening and closing quotation mark. So, and then you insert the file or the file format or the document or the HTML document you want to use. So let me open up this folder. I'm gonna be inserting this image2.jpg. I'm gonna be inserting this video audio1.mp4 and audio1.mp3 plus our HTML document. Please, sorry for what just happened. Plus our HTML document. So I'm going to be embedding our HTML document inside our HTML document. So let's go there. First of all, let me insert the video. So and the video name is audio1.mp4. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in a second one. Control V, and then I'll put this this as mp3 because our audio is audio1.mp3. So I'll come back here, Control V. I'll insert our image. And our image is img2.jpg. So img2.jpg. Okay. I have to put okay. Now, do you really get what I'm doing? So Control S, we can just come here and save. So I'm gonna refresh it. So can you see it? And why it looks thin like this is because my Chrome is half screen. I make my Chrome a full screen, and this is why they call it an HTML iframe. Since I've said earlier that HTML iframe stands for HTML inline, so you can see it's inline, not in block form. So you don't really get what I mean. When you get CSS, you get, but you can see it's listing horizontally, not vertically like block, but inline. So let's get back to what we are doing. If you have inserted finish, there's another thing we call setting the width and height. Normally, when you want to set the width and height of an iframe, I want you to understand that the default measurements for those with the height and in pixels, so that we can give it 100 pixels, 200 pixels, and even without writing the pixels, if you just write 100, automatically the web browser will read it as in form of pixels. So let's quickly do that. So let's we should give it something like 400 pixels. We don't need to write our px because automatically it's in pixels. So 400 pixels. So let's just copy this. Control C, Control V, and Control V. So we write Control S and press my Ctrl S, you can just go to file and save it and then refresh it. Can you see that it is more bigger? Now the reason why you are seeing the black background is because it is embedded. Remember that when we're talking about the HTML audio, is that when we insert an audio, there was no black background, it was just only this thing, but there will be a black background because it is embedded into it. And you can also see the image you want to embed because the image is bigger than the iframe, so we have to just scroll to check all images of the iframe. Okay, that's that. And the next one is that we have to remove the border around the iframe. How can we remove the border around the iframe? If you come here, you will see something like I can explain it. Like the flash format embedded is as if it's down, and there's like a border, yeah, just like a border, but you may not really get explaining it, but I think when I write the code, you really get it. So I'm going to be doing line styling now for all the iframes here, so I'll just write style equals to, and then I write border, your colon and your semicolon, and then you put none. This will make this border. You can see, just look at my mouse, concentrate on the mouse, you will see something like a border. You can see it something like here again, concentrate there, so it will make that thing be removed. So this is, so all I have to do is just copy and paste this in all iframes, so you can see that I type it in all iframes. Ctrl V, so I press Ctrl S. So I want us to take a look at those border again, so when we refresh the page, you will see that there's a difference. You may not quickly get the difference, but just turn that, you can see it. You can see, so then Ctrl. Can you see it there? No, it's just like a plain how can I say, a plain rectangle, a plain square, just like a plain square without having that thing. You can, if you don't really get what I'm explaining, you can just reverse back the video and then look at what the border I'm talking about. So that's the end of this tutorial. I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Bye.